Hi, today we're going to learn how to do the Tunisian Double Extended Stitch. You will see this in an abbreviation in a pattern sometimes as the letters TDES. It simply stands for the Tunisian Double Extended Stitch. It's worked very similarly to a standard Tunisian stitch with an extra little chain in the middle. So I've got my swatch, it's done just in Tunisian stitch, and I've gone ahead and picked up the first couple of stitches through that front loop like you would normally. To do the extended stitch, you're going to go under the front bar like you would normally do with a standard Tunisian stitch. You're going to yarn over and pull up a loop. Then what you're going to do is you're going to yarn over and draw through to chain one. So let's do that again. We're going to go under that front bar, we're going to yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over and draw through the loop one time, chaining one. Let's do it once more. Under the front bar, pull up a loop, and then yarn over and draw through to chain one, and then one more time. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over and draw through to chain one. So you can see that I've got all of these little chain stitches right here, and these stitches are worked as a standard Tunisian stitch, so they don't have that extra chain. If I were going to work this all the way across the row like normal, we would go all the way to the end, but for this demonstration I'm going to show you when you do the return pass, you're going to work this stitch just like normal, where you're going to yarn over and draw through one loop on the end, and then yarn over and draw through two loops, yarn over and draw through two loops, and I'm going to go over two more so that I can get all the way to the end. And when I get all the way to the end, you can see when I put this down that here are my extended stitches, and you can see they've got this extra little chain there, and these stitches on the end do not have that extended stitch. So that's all there is to it. That's how you do the Tunisian Double Extended Stitch. Until next time, happy stitching.